Alright guys, so the Bob's Burgers movie is coming. It is imminent and I am so excited. I think Bob's Burgers is one of the finest animated shows. No, one of the finest shows ever to be on TV. It really, really makes me laugh. See if you can guess who my favourite character is. No. 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 Well, funny enough, we are drawing Bob today, but Bob is not my favourite. I will let you know my favourite on a different drawing video, just to keep you interested. But here we are going with Bob to celebrate the 2022 Bob's Burgers movie. We are drawing the man himself here, and as you can see, I've done a sort of pinkish outline to sort of give me a bit of a guide on where to go, and then I'm putting a little bit more detail in with this black outline, and I'm going to remove the pink lines momentarily because I don't need those anymore. And I think just a few tweaks to Bob's eyes and a couple of other features, and then we'll be good to get straight on with the colouring. This one's going very well so far. So what I thought I would do is, while I colour Bob in, I'm going to tell you my favourite store next door punny, funny names. So you know, on the starting of Bob's Burgers, there's always a funny name on the store next to his. Here's some of my favourites. Resisting arrest, sleep therapy. Footloose, prosthetic adjustments. A small price to pay. Pelvis has left the building, hip replacement clinic. Don't stop bereaving, grief counselling. Don't go there, cautionary sign store. A ton in the oven, big and tall baby clothes. So, average needlepoint supplies. And finally, diarrhea. Honestly, the amount of work that must go into this show is absolutely immense. There's funny gags all the way through, and little hidden gems as well. So on some more Bob's Burgers videos, I'll go through a few more of my favourite gags, because there's gags everywhere. There's an exterminator van, there's a different burger of the day in the background of each episode as well. So there's an enormous amount of things to get our teeth into on here. Lots of funny stuff. And not my favourite character, but Mr. Fishodour is possibly the best name of any character. There he is, our humble lead character Bob from Bob's Burgers. This is the first one in the series. I hope you liked it. See you then.